DS down, come with the boat. Miss Willoughby. I went ahead and got the sinks put on, cleaned the surface on the rudder and the shaft. Got that nice and clean before I installed the 2-inch shaft sink and the R5 rudder sink. But this is your inspection before video. Let's go have a look at it. I went and shook the prop, see if anything was loose in there. Your prop nuts seem to be nice and tight. Your paint seems to be holding up. Nothing out of the norm. A few clogged through holes, looks like it. But that is the video on it. Like I said, it is 11/8/2023 at Miss Willoughby. This is DS Diving. Always a pleasure.